Make a man want you, give him what he really wants. Do you know what it really takes to make a man want you? Have you gone out there and tried your best to get that man you want, but it just doesn't work? Are you tired of watching other women get a man just like that while you go home alone? Here's what you might not know about what those women are really doing to catch a man. First impressions. What do you think is the first impression a guy gets of you? The way you put yourself together, your clothes, hair and makeup, can say a lot about you to a guy. But what is it telling him? Do your appearances look neglected? Do your clothes look cheap and trashy? Or perhaps you give off an air of strict discipline without even realizing it. Make sure your looks reflect well the woman you are. Also remember to keep in mind that while physical appearances do play a courtship role, how you carry yourself is just as important. Go out smiling and confident, and let the world see you're friendly and approachable. No one wants to walk up to a sourpuss and get to know her, no matter how attractive she is. Men want a woman who is going to be a complete package. It may initially catch his eye if you go out dressed in a super sexy outfit, but most men will associate such a style with a certain type of woman. And it is generally the type of women they might want for a night, but not more. So let your appearances show that you're not just playing for a night. Yes, you can show your assets, and let the guy know you have some nice curves, but you also want him to have to work to discover more about those curves. Second impression. When a guy goes up to a girl he finds attractive, he doesn't want to just sit there and look at her. So when you do catch a guy's eye, be interesting and open. Make light conversation and make it easy for him to talk about himself. Give a few words of praise and show how he's impressed you, and you'll see how he opens up and talks more and more. Let him know you're fun to be around and he'll want to be with you even more. Use your sense of humor to make him laugh, and he'll quickly feel so comfortable around you he won't want to leave. Humor and laughter have a great bonding effect. Use it to your advantage. Women forget that men want more than just a pretty face. They forget to bring their personalities with them and try to rely solely on looks. Be confident enough in your looks to let him see into the woman you are. You'll be surprised to see how much a man really does want to get to know you. What a man really wants is to be with a woman he feels good about, and a woman who will make him feel good about himself. Imagine what if you could make any man adore you, chase you, love you, and commit to you? Check out the link in the description to find out more.